Got y'all right here on the daily. As y'all can see, they helped the price, like I mentioned in my previous video, and they allowed the coins to do what they wanted to do. And that's just in order to trap more people into what they're trying to do, because I already told y'all what they're really doing. So we only got two options. Like I mentioned, we come up here, tap the 20 EMA on the daily, so we could come up here around 32.5 possibly. But it is also possible that we may not see that also, because you gotta go on the smaller time frames and it'll look more like it's gonna continue down where we're at right now. As you can see, we've been trying to get it out of here. We tapped this 50 EMA, but we may not ever pass it. We may just keep getting rejected. We may test it 2 more times, or we may just test this 20 EMA. We're almost there now, and then a rejection, because it is Monday. And like I said, they did play around with the prices to reel more people in this whole weekend. So we could easily get rejected right here at some point in time today, and this thing could just go the opposite direction. But whenever it does drop, though, it's gonna be to 20,000. So let me just show you a little closer though. On the hourly, right here, you see this candlestick right here? If it drops below 28,750, it is going to 20,000. That's our last. This is our major support level right here. Because once it drops below that, it's going to be a nasty candlestick basically. And y'all know every time I tell y'all that, y'all end up seeing a nasty candlestick, and you're gonna see this thing shoot right down here. Because whenever the candlestick ends, it's gonna be below this. So we looking at a nice little, from up here around 30,000 back to 25,000 in one candlestick. Maybe not necessarily the hourly, but on the 4-hour chart, you'll definitely see one of those. I mean, you see it all the time, but I mean, it's gonna be looking like this, like another fall. But don't forget, that was Monday too. Now, boom. And during the week, they'll try to trick you out, but they already tricked everybody out during the weekend, so they're dropping. But like I mentioned before, right here, this is the first initial drop, because that's a recovery of the 30,000. The first drop I already told y'all about. Go to the weekly so I can see it clear. That first drop was recovery of these candlesticks right here. This head and shoulders. Now we're coming down this larger head and shoulders, and a recovery of that candlestick right here. And that'll be all the way down 20,000 range, but of course it'll be in the 19s and probably even further down. But like I said, we're gonna reevaluate. You even see here during this week, I told you I was gonna come down, touch this 100 EMA, and spike back up to trick the traders. And that's what they did this weekend. They trick y'all if y'all fell for it. As you can see clearly, this candlestick has literally started right underneath where it closed off at. So it's gonna just continue on down, but this is gonna be a candlestick. It's gonna recover that spike, and it's gonna recover the rest of these candles. That's what I'm saying. Like, y'all gotta be ready. This is the last support level, and like I said, after that, it's free game. Literally, there's no more support left until you get to $20,000, $19,000 range. So that's why I think this will be the largest candlestick. And also, I mentioned before, they can do whatever they feel like. They can recover these candlesticks too, and these candlesticks. They could do it all at once if they really wanted to, honestly. But like I'm just saying, 20,000 is what they show in the charts for the next support range. But like I said, they can go as far as they want to. Just like they did here, matter of fact. All they need to recover was around 30,000, but they spiked all the way down to 25,000, then went right back up to the 30,000. See where it closed off at? Closed right back off at where the recovery of this candlestick was. So this was gonna do the same thing right over here. But like I said, it's gonna be a much larger candlestick, a much steeper drop than what that was. Because we're gonna be below the 100 EMA. It's no EMAs on none of the time frames really that it's gonna really be looking for. Well, I'm saying major EMAs. I'm sure there is some, but these are major ones that I go by at least. But yeah, our next range 20,000. And like I said, we could get a little jump up like 32.5 max, but it may not even happen because our general direction is going down. So we look for 20,000. Then possibly 10,000, and then after that, we're looking around 5,000. So I mean, yeah. But we'll just, like I say, reevaluate once we hit 20. But I'll keep updating y'all. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.